So we've got our tails, my tails. Then we've got an option called share tails, and it says, sorry, but right now no other little birds have shared their tails with you. So it looks like you can share tails with each other. Let's look at my tails and see the more options. It says share, and it says enter multiple emails with a comma or add context from your address book. So you could share a tail, but since I didn't really give email addresses, the only way I could share this is if I could share it to, like, a kid could share it to their parents if they had their email address, so that would work, which is nice. I'm trying to think of how the kids could share to each other without an email address, so I'll have to think about that one. My galleries, let's look and see what that is. My galleries looks like you could actually create, once you've created images within your book, it goes into your gallery. So if you wanted to use that image again in something else, it looks like you could import it. So let's say that I wanted to import this. I can actually change it and do things to it. So I can duplicate it, I can crop it. Let's crop. To crop image below and then drag to the size you want. Oh, huh. Now how do I do that? Let's see. To crop, click on image below. Okay, click on image below. That's not really, oh. So I'm holding it down. I'm holding my mouse button down. You can't see that. That's how I'm getting that to happen. So I'm holding it down, and now it's able to crop it. So I've cropped it. Now what? Let's save that. And so here that is. I don't really see the need. I mean, there might be a need for that, but right now I don't think that's a big deal. But I might figure out the reason for that in a little bit. So I can actually create a gallery name if I want to. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go back home. And let's go to my assignments, because this might be a good place that you would want to create assignments for your class. So create assignment, create a new tail cover, add your voice. I'm not sure what that would do. Let's go back to that. Create assignment. I don't know. I guess, I mean, could you tell them what you wanted them to write about? Let's try something. Okay. In this station, I want you to retell the story of the little old lady who swallowed a fly, and then show it to your partner. All right. So, I don't know. Or maybe, I'm not sure about that one. We'll have to come back to that one because I don't really know. So that is all of the different tabs here. We're going to definitely have to play with that one. So if you learn any more about my assignments, let me know. Maybe once the next video is I'm going to show you how to sign in as a student, and then we'll see how that goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this school code right here, and I'm going to use that to sign in as a student. So that's my next video.